dangerous reptiles. Today we're going to count down the 12 deadliest reptiles on the planet. Get ready to meet the scale-clad creatures that you definitely wouldn't want to cross paths with. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're fascinated by creatures that can command respect with just a hiss or a stare, you're in the right place. We're about to unveil the 12 deadliest reptiles known to man. Before we start, hit that subscribe button to join our adventure into the wild. Ready? Let's jump right in. 1. Inland Taipan. First up is the Inland Taipan, often cited as the most venomous snake in the world. Found in the arid regions of Central Australia, its venom is specially adapted to kill warm-blooded species. One bite from this elusive serpent has enough toxicity to take down 100 humans, making it a top contender in our deadly dozen. 2. Saltwater Crocodile. The saltwater crocodile comes in at a close second. As the world's largest living reptile, these giants can reach lengths of over 6 meters and are equipped with a jaw strength to crush bones. They're found in the brackish and saltwater habitats of Southeast Asia and Australia and are known for their aggressive nature. 3. Black Mamba. Number 3 is the feared black mamba, Africa's longest venomous snake. What makes it particularly dangerous isn't just its venom, but also its speed and the volume of venom it can deliver in a single bite. Without anti-venom, a bite from a black mamba is almost 100% fatal. 4. King Cobra. The king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, slides into number 4. This iconic species, found predominantly in India and Southeast Asia, can literally stand up and look a full-grown person in the eye. When it comes to diet, the king cobra has a taste for other snakes, even venomous ones. 5. Komodo dragon. Taking the 5th spot is the Komodo dragon. As the largest species of lizard, they can weigh up to 150 kilograms. They hunt with stealth and power on the islands of Indonesia, and their venomous bites, which can cause shock and bleeding, often spell the end for their prey. 6. Blue-ringed octopus. Though not a reptile, the blue-ringed octopus deserves an honorary mention at number 6 for being one of the deadliest marine animals. It's small, but its venom packs a punch, containing neurotoxins that can cause paralysis and death. 7. Fer-de-lance. 7 is the Fer-de-lance, a viper that you might encounter in Central and South America. Its potent hemotoxic venom destroys blood cells and tissue, making any bite potentially deadly. 8. Eastern brown snake. The eastern brown snake holds the 8th position. Native to Australia, it's responsible for more fatalities in the country than any other group of snakes. Its venom is fast-acting, attacking the blood and nervous system. 9. Coral snake. Number 9 is the coral snake, notorious for its red-on-yellow color pattern. Found in the southern United States, their venom is a powerful neurotoxin. Thankfully, their reclusive nature means they're less likely to come into contact with humans. 10. Gila monster. The 10th spot goes to the Gila monster. One of the only venomous lizards in the world, it's found in the southwestern United States. Its venom isn't as potent as some snakes, but a bite can cause extreme pain. 11. Green anaconda. Number 11 is the green anaconda, the heaviest snake in the world, found in South America. They're non-venomous, but their immense size allows them to constrict and drown their prey, which can be as large as capybaras or caimans. 12. Reticulated python. And finally, at 12, we have the reticulated python. While also non-venomous, they are responsible for human fatalities in Southeast Asia. Their method of killing is constriction, and they can consume prey much larger than themselves. These 12 reptiles are awe-inspiring examples of evolution crafted for survival. They remind us to respect the natural world and the creatures within it. Remember, the best way to avoid danger is to admire these animals from afar and preserve their habitats. Which of these reptiles surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild content. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next adventure.